Safely removing dried fabric glue from polyester.
Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a common fabric care dilemma: removing dried fabric glue from polyester. A lot of people worry that this process may damage their fabric, and it's a valid concern. We'll go over the safest methods of removing fabric glue from polyester without causing any damage.
What is polyester?
To understand the process, let's first understand what we're dealing with: polyester. Polyester is a synthetic fabric known for its durability, resilience, and resistance to many chemicals. This resistance gives us a bit of an edge when it comes to removing dried glue.
Will removing dried fabric glue damage polyester?
The short answer is, it depends on the method you use. Generally, if handled correctly, removing dried fabric glue shouldn't cause any damage to your polyester fabric. However, rough handling or using inappropriate solvents could potentially harm the material.
How to safely remove fabric glue from polyester?
Here are a few steps you can follow to safely remove dried fabric glue from polyester. 1. Test the solvent. Always test any solvent on a small, inconspicuous area of the fabric before applying it to the glue stain. This is to make sure that the solvent will not discolor or damage the fabric. 2. Use an appropriate solvent. Rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, is often effective at removing fabric glue from polyester. Dab a small amount of the alcohol onto a clean cloth, then gently rub it onto the glue. Let it sit for a few minutes. 3. Scrape off the glue. After letting the solvent sit, try gently scraping off the glue with a dull knife or a spoon. Be careful not to scrape too hard, as this could potentially damage the fabric. 4. Wash and dry. After you've removed the glue, wash the fabric as you normally would. Be sure to follow the fabric's care instructions to avoid any potential damage. So there you have it. Removing dried fabric glue from polyester can be done safely, and without causing any damage, as long as you're careful and use the right techniques. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. Remember, when in doubt, always test first and handle your fabric with care. Thanks for watching.